Assalamualaikum and good morning. Today we want to present about our project. The title is Sensor Card. My name is Muhammad Azhan bin Muhammad Hisham 01 DDT 19F1227.
My name is Muhammad Afilmi Muhammad Nazir. My number geometry is 01 DDT 19.
And myself, Satish Swaran Unabalan, and my metric number is 01 DDT 19F2098.
So the name is Dr. May Asliza binti Tanzalillah. Okay, name panel industry Encik Muhammad Nadir bin Nyanyan, Pegawai Unit Cyber Security Infra Digital Perak Corporation Holding Ipoh. Okay, for introduction. Okay, in today era technology can be used in many other fields and applications such as gaming, map, email, messaging, photography, and so on. One such area is social distancing detection and storing social distancing data record. So we introduced the object called card sensor. This is application to use to know and solve social distancing activity. In detail, this application aim is to solve social distancing with small time period and in efficient way. In general, there are different type of social distancing, but this alert card sensor mainly for kindergarten. This card sensor will help to reduce social distancing activity around the country. This is card sensor can use by kindergarten and other people. This card sensor is friendly user. Okay, for problem statements, the COVID-19.
Okay. Start.
Okay, the COVID-19 pandemic has completely changed students. As a result, the Healthy Ministry has implemented new norms to prevent the virus from spreading and being easily infected among. One of the new norms is social distance. Social distancing can prevent 70% from being transmitted to other individuals. Okay, based on the problem, social with this comply with the new norm is easily and safety. It can also be used in every student, especially in primary school or kindergarten. This is because kindergarten cannot understand about the new norm with the sensor. It is very suitable for kindergarten when the kindergarten want to discuss or play with friends without distance. The device will give a warning in which will make a sound kindergarten or anyone to keep the distance so that virus does not spread. My
Start.
Okay, this is my part. This is objective of sensor card. Number one is design for giving awareness to kindergarten. Number two is to make sure kindergarten alert with sensor card. Number three is giving alternatives of problem about social distancing with sensor card. Next. Okay, this is kindergarten. Number one is designed for giving awareness to kindergarten and students about social distance. Number two, designed to make sure students and teachers remain the safest areas. Number three is sensor design for teacher to that they can easily do the activity without worrying about the social distance. Project scope is number one is for the project. We use Arduino website to make the coding for sensor. Sensor card acts as the warning to social distance 1 meter. Besides the sensor card, purpose of the social distance to always care. Number two is Arduino website. Arduino website is the open source of Arduino software, makes it easily to write code and upload it to the board. This software can be used with any Arduino board. Next. Okay, this is last part for me. Itu project significance. Number one is era mobile technology can be used in many other file and application. They are one of the area is social distance detection and storing social distance data record. Number two, this is an application tool used to know and solve social distance activity. Number three, sensor. A device which detect or measure a physical properly and record, indicate or otherwise respond to it. Number two is sound sensor. Sound sensor means sound sensor is defined as module that detect sound with throat. It is interesting and converting it to electrical signal. Sound sensor beep when the distance is less than 1 meter. This social distance sensor it is possible to comply with the new norms easily and safely. It can also be used in various students, especially in primary school or kindergarten. And last, this device will give a warning in which it will make a sound to kindergarten or anyone to keep the distance so that the virus does not spread.
Okay, this is my part. So thank you for my two members for explaining their part. Okay, this is my part. My part is cost planning. So these are the device and software that we are buy for our project. So number one is board Arduino Vemos D1R1. So the cost is 25 ringgit. And then the second one is buzzer, and the cost is RM2 ringgit. And LED and resistor is RM3 ringgit. Jumper wire is 2 ringgit 50 cent, and battery holder is 3 ringgit, and breadboard is 3 ringgit. Breadboard is for the Arduino, so we have to stand the Arduino, so we have to have the breadboard. So and the ultrasonic sensor H3 SR04 is RM4 ringgit. So these are the cost planning. Then we're going to second part is, so this is a conclusion of our project. So this project is mainly created because of our senior minister education, that is Dr. Muhammad Razim bin Jidin, said that the movement of students under the age of 7 was difficult to control compared to other adults. So the main aim is from the minister is our focus is a higher level for aids of control. So the challenge of preschools to do the social imprisonment is a major constraint when school opens. So he said at the press conference. So we come out with this project and this device, so this software that cancer card will help to reduce social distancing activities around the country. So this sensor can be used by kindergartens, students, and other people. So this sensor card is a friendly user. This did not contain any scams or any electrical damage. So it's a friendly user. That can use by primary school and kindergarten for avoid COVID-19 virus does not spread. So that's all from us. Thank you. Thank you.